Hi! Welcome back to another update in the van build. This week was a little bit messy because I done multiple different types of jobs. Yeah, so let me just show you what I've been up to.
The headliner got a new cover.
Oh wow! So I started cleaning the headliner. This is the sticker, something insulation in it, and this is after the fiberglass piece that I'm trying to get back. I have this nasty thing.
We took out the seats to manage the rust on them. Product. Beautiful seats. I'm so pleased. We have stripped out the floor, half of the floor, to manage the rust. And the floor was wet, so let's try and get it right now.
Then life reality, pizza, wine, stuff.